This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Audi Q5 with factory flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack. This roof rack consists of the 7603 AeroBlade Edge load bar in both the front and rear positions, along with fitting kit 4078. The front load bar has a usable mounting surface of 35 3/4 inch. Distance from the front bar to the back bar is 27.5 inches. Usable load bar spacing on the rear bar is 33.5 inch. The overall weight capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed between the two load bars. Full operation of the panoramic sunroof is available with this rack system. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and promotions.